know you can hear me. I know you can feel me. I can't live without you. God, please make me better.